Greetings, Daniel Persetto for Adobe Photoshop CS6 Extended, and we have an update to the Creative Cloud subscribers 13.1. Let's look at some of the new features. We're going to look at generating normal maps from Diffuse Maps, and we have here a nice little Spider-Man model, and we're going to pretend for this tutorial that this is a high-resolution Spidey model mesh. It's not, but we're just going to pretend that it is so we can show you the technique on how to do this in Photoshop. Creating normals is a way to fake lighting or bumps and dents in your model. It's used to add details without using more polygons. So if it was a high resolution mesh here, you could create the normals from that high resolution mesh and then bring it to a low polygon model and then apply the normals. Let's take a quick look because it'll make more sense once you see it. For now, I'm going to turn off the texture so you can see what happens. So this is our model without normals. It's actually a low resolution mesh. But we're going to go over here. Let's select the texture again and go to the 3D properties, materials. I select the materials, go to normal, click here and generate normals from the diffuse map. And voila, it generated a normal base map from the diffuse. Now the diffuse looks like this, and the normal looks like that. That's a typical normal map for you. And I'm not going to go into too much detail. I can do that on another tutorial if you'd like. And basically that's really all I wanted to show, was that it's really fun to do this kind of stuff. It gives you just a way to add detail, and you can experiment and go crazy with this. You could paint in that map if you really want to. There are some game companies that are really adept at doing that, and that just blows my mind. It's pretty amazing. But I can do it again for this piece as well. Generate normals. It's another way to be creative, experiment. It's one of those things that it's a technique used in the industry, mostly, like I said, in games and even in movies. It's really cool. You can light it and see what it looks like. It adds a little bit of detail. And, you know, hey, it's in Photoshop. Use it, design with it, come up with new things, give us examples. I'd love to see them. If you have any more questions, please feel free to comment. And that is all. Thanks.